I tried AudioMint thinking it's just another overhyped software, but after 20 minutes, it did something I didn't expect at all. And honestly, if I knew this earlier, I wouldn't have wasted so much time creating content the hard way. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things. First, what this tool actually does, not what the sales page claims. Second, the exact result I got using it. And third, the one thing that can completely ruin your results if you don't fix it, because this is not just another AI tool, and it's definitely not as simple as they make it look. So when I first logged into AudioMint, I thought it was just another text-to-audio generator, and honestly, I wasn't impressed. But then I tried something different, and that's where things changed. So what I did was, I took a simple script, nothing fancy, and I turned it into audio using one specific setting. Now here's the interesting part. Instead of sounding robotic, it actually sounded like a real human voice. And this is where AudioMint is different, because most tools fail at this exact thing, realism. So I tested it further. I created multiple audio clips, tried different tones and even tested it for content creation. And the result? It actually saved me hours of work, and I didn't need to record my own voice at all. But, here's the truth nobody is telling you, it's not perfect. Some voices need tweaking. If you don't structure your script properly, results drop and beginners might feel confused at first. So this is not a magic button, but if you use it the right way, it can be insanely powerful. Who should use or should not use? Perfect for content creators, affiliate marketers and YouTubers, faceless channels. Not for lazy users, people expecting instant money and people who don't want to learn basic setup. Now here's the biggest problem I noticed. Most people won't get results. Not because of the tool, but because they don't know how to use it properly. So I decided to fix that with my bonuses. If you buy through my link you will get these special bonuses. Bonus 1 Audio Profit Blueprint. Value $297. This is my personal step-by-step system where I show you how to create high-converting audio content, how to use AudioMint for YouTube and faceless videos, an exact method to turn audio into income. Bonus 2 Done For You Script Pack. Value $209. I'm giving you ready-to-use scripts that are already optimized for engagement, conversions and AI voice generation. Total bonuses value $500 plus, totally free with purchase through my link. So you don't have to start from scratch, and honestly, this alone can save you days of trial and error. So after testing AudioMint, here's my honest conclusion. It's not for everyone, but if you're serious about creating content faster, and you don't want to use your own voice, this can be a game changer. If you want to check it out, click the link in the description. Grab AudioMint, and if you decide to get it, you'll also get my bonuses that fix its biggest weaknesses. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.